Hi friends, this is Millian. Now I'm in the workshop to show you our 4 components MDI TDI multiple function machine. This machine is specially designed for TDI and MDI. Let's have a look. This is our D tank. There is mocha metal with the motor mixing, same time with the vacuum function. And let's have a look. This one is C tank, can be for BDO, and this is for B tank and A tank for prepolymers. It can work in ABC or ABD and AD, BD, both okay. If you are interested in the machine solution for TDI and MDI or HQE, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.